All right, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and we are going to start. First of all, I'll ask you some questions. How often do you have a haircut?
I usually don't like haircut because I love long hair, and I think to have a haircut every 4 to 5 months.
Okay, so just try to answer in one go. I think I usually have a haircut after 4 to 5 months. Or to answer your question, I usually have haircut after 4 to 5 months. Okay, connectivity and proper answer. Let's go on. How long have you had your current hairstyle?
I think it's been 5 months since my last haircut, and I love my current haircut.
Okay, this is short answer. At least 1 to 2 more sentences. Right? You can say it depends. When I go to the parties, I've got different hairstyles, and then I go to the parlor to get those styles made. But usually I've got this style which I'm having now. Something like that. Okay, 4-5 good sentences will bring you good answer. Let's go on. Have you ever had an unhappy haircut experience like I? Yeah.
I don't remember anything like this, but I have no. I don't think so. I have not experienced anything like this.
I have never had or I have never experienced anything like this.
So I think I feel horrible if it happens.
Okay, this is good, but your answers are still short, to the point, so you just need to elaborate a little. In part 1, you don't need to elaborate too much, but a little, okay? Let's go on. Do you take care of your hair?
Yes, I take care. I take
Whenever
good
they
care.
say, do you take care? Do you? Just try to answer by saying, yes, I do, or no, I don't, and then answer. So, do you take care of your hair?
Yes, I do a lot good care of my hair to make it healthy, and I think it's very important to have a good hair health.
All right, so answers are short and you need to speak a little more, connect your ideas together, it'll be fine. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about the area you live in. Do you like the area you live in?
Yes, definitely. I like the area I live in. You know, it is green, beautiful, and it is just like a heaven on the earth.
Okay, so to answer your question, I love my area. Where are you from?
Wabda Down.
Wabda town is heaven on earth? Huh? Okay. I never thought like that. Okay, that's good. All right, no, but that's good. Yeah, heaven on earth is good idiomatic expression you use. Let's go on. What are some changes in your area?
Yeah, you know,
Or tell me about some changes in your area.
recently they opened gym in our area, and it is and it
Come on. It is very good. I go there every day and I'm
And I go
healthy.
there.
I feel, yeah,
and
just
I-
like
I-
this.
and I go every day, and you know, every health is very important for living of life.
Okay, where do you like to go in your area?
I like to go garden, uh, Joyland, and many other places.
Okay.
They make me feel happy.
All right, your voice has the ability to make other people sleep, huh? Just try to speak loudly and all that. You know, people like you appear on the radio after 12 midnight. Yeah. चंद लम्हों की रफाकत ही गनीमत थी कि फिर. Yeah. So, anyways, thank you very much. You have to speak more and more, and you need to increase your volume and express yourself. You have to be expressive. Remember this thing. In speaking test, you have to be expressive, but not overly expressive, but just expressive. Thank you.
Thank you.